Good morning, everyone. I'm Chris Kyle, work at the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protection with the Tagus Group. I'm a GIS program analyst. Here at DEP, as in the past, we've developed and maintained West Virginia's permitted resource extraction and environmentally related data sets. A lot of these data sets we do provide as web service through our REST interface or server, to where GIS professionals can access this data and use it. We also provide some of these data in shapefile and raster available downloads. And so there you can see that's the web address for these services. Current projects we got going on, the big one we're working on is the LiDAR. We're working with WVGIS, Natural Resource Analysis Center here. They're flying the data. It's the southern coal fields of West Virginia. And so right now we've got 30% of it has been flown. We're currently working on producing the derived products, and all that we are doing in-house. We're doing everything from the quality control to building the hillshades, rasters, the Kims, all kinds of stuff that we are also integrating into our web services that we have out there. Big thing we got right now, we just did here a couple months ago, is that our first deliverable from the LiDAR, we integrated into the statewide hillshade from West Virginia SAM. And so you can really tell a difference between this new data versus that old data. But, we are hoping to have the rest of our 30% done by the end of this year. The next two deliverables have been flown. The data is in our possession. We're starting to work on it. We're also working with Dewberry, who's also doing a quality controls check with this data alongside of us. We are also providing this data out there at West Virginia View, the raw LAS data file. So if you're interested in getting LiDAR for an area or whatever, you want to work with it yourself, feel free to go there and download it. Second big project we got going on right now is we're modernizing the state's abandoned mine lands. We are working with Marshall University. They're providing student labor, or student workers, I guess you would say. Student workers to digitize and put this data into they're putting it into a personal or file geodatabase right now, but we're eventually going to put it into an SD data set to where it'll be another web service that people will be able to access. This project is happening sort of coincidence with the GeoMine project, which is a big project that's being partnered with a lot of other state and federal agencies in the Appalachian coal mining permitting area. And so we're hoping that once all this data is done, it's going to be put together with the AML and active mining data in a collective geospatial information system that I can't remember who's hosting it, but I think it's OSM is going to be the one that's hosting this data set. And so these are projects that we got going on. So, thank you.